Empower deposits can show up instantly for some users, but in other cases, they take longer depending on your bank connection, account activity, and transfer method selected inside the app. By the end, you'll know how long Empower deposits usually take, what affects the timing, and what to check when your deposit is delayed. Start with the most important point. Deposit speed depends on the type of transfer Empower is using. Some transfers are processed quickly, while others go through standard banking networks that take longer to complete. Now explain what instant actually means in practice. When Empower uses faster processing, the money can appear in your account shortly after approval. But even then, timing is not guaranteed because your bank still has to accept and post the deposit. Now, move to standard deposits. Standard deposits move through normal banking systems. That means there is a processing window where the transfer is approved, sent, and then posted by your bank. During this time, the money may not appear immediately, even though the transfer is already in progress. Now explain the biggest delay factor. Bank processing speed is one of the biggest reasons deposits take longer. Some banks update balances faster than others, especially during weekends or holidays when processing slows down. Now, move into account-related delays. If your bank connection inside Empower is unstable, deposits can also take longer or appear delayed. A broken or outdated connection can slow down how quickly transaction data is updated. Now explain verification issues. If your account is not fully verified, Empower may hold or delay deposits until identity or banking details are confirmed. This is a security step, not a technical error. Now explain user-side issues. Using an outdated app version or switching devices during a transfer can also cause delays in showing deposit updates. Now give a simple breakdown of timing behavior. Some users see deposits quickly when everything is fully verified and the bank connection is stable. Other users experience longer waits when banks take more time to post incoming transfers, or when verification steps are still in progress. Now explain what to do if a deposit seems stuck. First, check your Empower transfer status inside the app. Then check your bank account directly, not just the app balance. Then confirm your bank connection is still active. Now summarize the key points. Empower deposits can appear quickly but depend heavily on bank processing speed. Bank connections and verification status can affect timing. And delays usually come from the bank side, not the app itself. One practical next step. Open your bank account and check the latest incoming transactions directly, because Empower updates can lag behind actual bank posting times. Like and subscribe for simple breakdowns of finance apps without confusion or guessing.